the 2015 Toyota Venza. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.